inside the Commotion Ocean, or inside the water park at Six Flags in Agawam, Massachusetts. So here come the waves. Over here. That was very good. That'll come out like cold weather here. So maybe next year I'll have my old BHMA teacher Kate from Easthampton come to Six Flags in Agawam, which is this water pool, which is the Commotion Ocean, after I do the water slides in the lazy river, which is maybe in June, July, or August of 2026. Oh, there are a lot of waves. This is looking good here. And over here is the Joker, and there's Scream, and that's Batman and Superman. And right over here, Swiss Family Toboggan is closed, and because next year they'll be open. Just be sure, a lot of waves. I don't want to deck hands only beyond this point. Oh, there are the swings, which was formerly a Ferris wheel. This one is, I don't know, but over here is Geronimo Falls, and there's Tornado, and Cannonball Falls, Shark Attack, and the Big Kahuna. Cowabunga hamburgers, or we get chicken tenders and fries. And there's Hook's Lagoon for the kids who are little. Oh, a lot of waves. Alright, let's see if I can do this thing. There's everyone going down on Batman. There's the entrance and the exit for the Commotion Ocean water pool. I can try it out this day. It's just like the one here at Blizzard Beach and Volcano Bay, which is down in Orlando, Florida. We're going to try this thing out when I'm on vacation. The green slide is closed on Cannonball Falls. That will be opening next year, which is in the summertime. waves are gone. There go the waves. Here. There's 3 feet, and then 5 feet, 9 inches, and 7 feet. So 2 feet, 6 inch. That'll be all. Bye.